In this video,
we will learn how to change your character in Fortnite.
in order to change your character in Fortnite, first you need to open up the game. After that, you need to head to the locker section from the top left hand side of your screen. Then under the character tab, click on the character portrait that you're currently using. In here, you will find all your available characters that you can switch to. In order to switch, just left click on that character and go back to your lobby, and you'll see your character has changed. You can also randomize your character for each game by clicking on the random button. So it will give you a random character for each game you play. You can also edit a character in your locker by simply clicking on the three dots beneath them and click on edit style. In here you'll see all the modifications you can do to your character. After the modifications are done, press escape, go back to the play button at the main lobby, and you'll see the character you have selected is present over there. So this is how you can easily change your character and their style in Fortnite.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.